Hi and good evening, everyone. I am 𝑶𝒖𝒓 𝑬𝒔𝒕𝒆𝒅, a first-year undergraduate student of BE/CSE and Honors in Information Security. And today we all are here with yet another event of zStudent-CU, a community where we all are there to improve our technical and non-technical skills as well as of others. So today we are for a 2-day workshop on AR. We have our guest speaker with us, Gunjan Didi, who will be letting you know about the introduction and the basics of AR today. So I would like to request Gunjan Didi to first introduce herself and then take over for the event.
Am I audible to you?
Yes, Didi, you are audible.
Okay, so hi everyone. It's good to see people joining. And so yeah, I am a third year student from your Chandigarh University, and I'm doing my BTech in Computer Science and Engineering with IoT. And yeah, from quite a while, I've been working as a designer and a developer with many people, and I just started working on this AR thing from like December. So yeah, let's get started with it. Is it possible I can share my screen?
Yeah, Didi, you can.
Okay. Is it visible?
Yes, it's visible.
Okay. Okay. So can I get the chat box? Okay, where can I get the chat box?
If you are on a laptop or a PC, it's just below.
Yep.
On the bottom bar.
Yep, got it. Okay, so I want to ask everybody who are present here that what do you people know about Sparky R till now? Like anything? Or what do you think it will be from its name? You people can just write it in the chat box. Anything. I welcome the guesses also. Facebook filter. Okay. Okay. Anybody else? You can unmute your. Okay, they don't have the permission, right? To make AI. AR is actually a very broad concept. Okay, I'm not talking about AR. I'm talking about Sparky R. Um. Can you see Sarthak, like somebody is drawing my
Nikhil,
screen?
please maintain the decorum of the session. Don't do such kind of things.
No idea. Okay, fine. Okay, so to keep this session interactive one, just after me, when I ask somebody, just write it in the chat box. If you people have the audio permission, just speak it out. Right, so let's just keep this session interactive one. Okay, so now tell me in the comment section, what do you people expect from the session? Like, you people are here in the session attending it, so what do you people expect from it, like after leaving it? Working with AR, right? What else? Okay. Okay, exploring something. Fine. Fine. Next, we'll move to what do you people. Okay, I have seen many comments saying learn about AR, explore AR, know about AR to create AR and all. So, what do you people understand by AR? What is it? Yeah, I know the full form of augmented reality. Okay. So basically, AR stands for augmented reality, and it makes your world more cool, you can say. You people use Instagram or Snapchat filters? Do people use that enhanced version of? Yeah, you were right. Fine, you people use it, right? These days, many people use Snapchat. You people make reels using some filters, right? Yeah, streak one. So basically, these all are AR platform these days. Fine. Augmented reality is to enhance the real world objects. So you're using a Snapchat filter, and say it's Diwali time, and you want say pollution-less Diwali, but you still want crackers. You want to see a cracker show, or you want to click pictures with a cracker show, right? AR is helping you out with these to solve the real world problem by adding them a visual elements using sound or designs and all to make it virtually, right? To enhance your real world experience. Fine. Okay. What do you people see in this image? It's an image of jet plane. So what do you people see? Like, what do you think what is shown in this picture? Forest, fine. Okay, so this is the display I can see as a pilot, right? This is what a pilot will be seeing while he's sitting in a jet plane. What AR is, how AR is used at this place is to show the distance, to show different um climates and all by just uh, pointing it out to somewhere. Like I am pointing out to a forest, and I can know which latitude or longitude I am, what place I am, how far the things are from me. Like maybe there's a long tree coming. Okay, fine. A huge tower is coming, a tall tower, right? So I can know how far it is from me, right? So this is how AR is used in it. Fine. Okay. Now what can you see here? I can see a car which is having some Google map in there, right? A self-driving car. Okay. Fine. So I can see the map on my screen, and it's not on certain screen. It's not on a screen. It's virtually in the air, right? So the things which say I can see the street view now from just sitting in my car. This is how AR is helping us. Let's move to the next one. It's using glasses, right? Say I can know now how far things are from me by just wearing these glasses, right? This is a application known as Yelp. You people can also download if you want. I'm not promoting it, right? So this is a application known as Yelp. Okay, what it do is this application uses ARs to see restaurant reviews. Fine, if I am having certain say TFG here, I don't know what the full form is. Yeah, TFG thing here, and if I point out to it, I can see the reviews people have given to it and info around it, and just pointing towards it. pointing my screen towards it, I can see the reviews over, like how it is. I can decide to go to which restaurant I want, right? Snapshot. Here, I just point towards a say empty area. Like I bought a house. Now I want it to have good furnitures which fits in it, which looks good in it. I'll point towards the place, the empty areas, and I can check which filters are looking good, which are not, right? Next is your favorite platform, Snapchat, which is the using AR at most and now turning its platform into an AR platform, right? So, what is the role of Spark AR now? We've seen what is AR now. Now, what is Spark AR? Right? Spark AR is nothing but a software used to make these AR effects. Okay. Facebook is having a platform where you people can create Spark AR Studio, exactly Aditya, where you people can create your AR effects, right? You can add ons to this girl, you can smoothen her skin, you can add a background to her, right? You can do many things. Okay. Now what if I say you people can also create the effect which billions of people can use on Instagram, Facebook? How will you feel? And I say that is also easy and you people don't need to code. How will that sound to you? Yes, it is a free software as of now. I don't know. Gotcha. Fine. Okay. Nice, Kunal. Fine. So Spark AR is a tool of Facebook, basically, which is now called as Meta, right? And Facebook is turning into this metaverse, which is related to this AR and Web3 technologies and all, right? So Facebook want to digitalize and get into this AR world, right? So it is the starting of something new, you can say. So from Spark AR, you people can create your own 3D effects. You can add your 3D effects to it. You can add sound. You can add different backgrounds to something and do something great. Create your own dream filter if you want, right? Okay, one thing for the Linux users, Spark AR doesn't support Linux as of now. Okay, it's just for Windows and Mac. Okay, also, which what I call Spark AR is a Photoshop for AR. Fine, where you just have to put your design and use it, right? So how you people can download it, I should share the link with you people. So I'm sharing the link in the chat box. Also, I request Sarthak if you're there, so you can just share it with them if you have certain group or something. Fine. Okay. Yeah. So I clicked on it. Oh, oh no. Okay, I guess I just shared the screen. Okay, now is my whole screen visible?
Yes, it's visible.
Fine. Then okay, this is the platform of Spark R, Spark R website, you say. Okay, when you click this download, it just start downloading. Fine. I have already downloaded it, so I won't download it again. Okay. I will say you people to ask you people to create the effect after the session if possible, right? Fine. So this is their website. You can get resources on the website itself. Okay. Even you can get resources on the this thing, their application itself. Fine. Manage effect is your Spark R hub, which keeps which is a dashboard for your effects. Like I made an effect, I can see it here. Okay, I don't know why it is coming in Gujarati. Ignore that part. I'm sorry. Okay. Fine. So this is a dashboard which shows that how many people have used your effect, or how many people have clicked on the link of your effect, what is the reach of your effect and all. Fine. So if you publish your effect, it will take for a week maximum to get it published, right? Or mine got published in say 4 hours, right? So yeah. Okay. Now I can't read Gujarati. Fine. Just give me a minute. Okay, if possible, you people can you people open a Spark R hub in your PCs and check it. I don't know why it is coming in Gujarati right now. Kiratpreet, can you share your screen if possible?
Yeah, actually, some of the students are saying that there is an option to change the language. So can you share your screen?
Yeah,
You can see there.
actually, no, in my screen, it's not coming. That is what I was looking for.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, your screen was visible.
Yes, it was visible, but right now it's not. Yeah, it's visible now.
Yeah, cool. So I hope you all can see. Okay, you've made the effects fine. So you can see her reach, like what all she have done. If you go to the effects part in the left corner, you can see the effect she have made. Insights will show you the thing, your say reach, how many people have clicked and all. Effect gallery and creators, you can see other people's effects. Okay, like you can place to explore others effects. Fine. Then learn is it provides some resources to you. Okay, fine. Okay, this was what I wanted to show with the Spark Care Hub. Okay, we move to the next topic. Is my screen visible?
Yes, it's visible.
So we'll move to the topic how to use Sparky R. So after you download it, this will what Sparky R will look like. Fine. If you make some if you have made some effects, it will show in your thing, right? And these are the pre-made effects. Fine. You can just use it. Say I click on it. Okay. Yeah, I hope now my screen is visible.
Yes, it's visible.
Fine. So you can see this screen. It looks something like your mobile screen, right? And you can see this girl, right? This is a platform where you can make a 2D or a 3D effect. Fine. These are the assets. Say I want to add a background. Fine. You can see this image, which is here, that gradient part. So these are the assets. Say I want her to um, say have that. Okay. Okay. I want her to have say Christmas hat, right? I can put the asset over here by making it. Fine. These are the layers which will be used. So you, if you're making a 3D effect, you need layers, so many layers, right? So just keep them named. Fine. So here is this person, right? I can change her from here. You can see her, right? You can even upload your own by clicking on this add button if it's visible. Fine. Fine. Even you can use your HD camera, like the your laptop screen. yeah, you can use your laptop screen, laptop camera also, right? And make try effects on yourself. Fine. So we'll use this one for now. Okay. Okay. What if she is moving too much and I want to see how the effect will look on say at some point of her. Okay, fine. On her right cheek, if I say I'll pause her. I have the option to pause her, right? And yeah, this is pretty much about the platform which you should know. Fine. Here we have different scenes. Okay. Now you can see different scenes over here. Say a face tracker, plane tracker, target tracker, hand tracker, plane, 3D objects, 3D text. Okay, right. Okay. Have you people seen those effects which people make where there are Diwali crackers bursting behind you, right? How to you can create that effect is you should have a crackers video with you. You can get them from any platform, say Google, right? You can just download it. You have to put it over here in the assets, okay, as animation sequence. Fine. If you put it, your effect will be ready. Fine. So next is I want to replace it. Okay. Now I've customized her background, right? Okay. Now if okay, one more thing, what is my suggestion to you is do not compress it for anyone, for any Android or iOS or anything, because it will lower, it will compress the quality of your this effect. Also, it takes time to load. So use online compressors. Okay. Just choose any image compressor. Prefer this one. I'll share the link. Thank you. Okay. Use online compressor and directly upload your images or videos in this thing. Fine. Okay, yeah, one more thing. You made this thing. Say this is an effect. This is also an effect. Okay. Some people might think that I just changed the background. Can I publish it still? Yes, you can publish it. You have to just click over here, this inverted download option. Here, uh, you people can see it, right? Yeah. Uh, yeah, you can use Photoshop for sure. Fine. So you have what after for publishing your effect, what things you have to do is this is the demo video. Demo video is something which when people are reviewing your effect, they can see and check like how your effect will look like. Say and to record a demo video, you can use this thing. This test on device. So you can click on send. Fine, it will generate a link for your effect and recorded video. Okay, fine, sorry. Yeah, what you have to do is click on this send. It will generate a link over here. Fine, and you can share your link with your friends, or you can test with your family or something. Okay, and that is how you can see if your effect is looking good or not. Even you can take your reviews from people. Here is a test link. If you people use Facebook, you can try it. Okay, now I've got reviews from my friend, like say Sarthak and Kiratpreet, sorry. These two people, I have they are my friends, and I've shared the link with them, and they really liked the effect. Now what they can do is, what I can do is, now I'm ready to publish it. Fine, I'll click on publish. Fine, if I want, I can create a demo video myself or ask them, and rest I have just to click upload. But this doesn't mean your effect is published. Fine, this is just a test link which you people might use. Now it will take you to your Sparky R hub, which mine is in Gujarati. Fine. Okay, fine. The important things are in English. Fine. You have to name. It's not your name, it's your effect's name. Fine. Um, this thing is nothing. This which you people can see. It is your effect logo. Um, how many of you use Instagram over here? All of you? Yes. So when you search for the effect, if possible, take your phones, go to the camera of Instagram thing, right? And while taking the photos, you can see the images. Okay, I'll share the camera itself. Wait. Um, am I visible?
Yes, you are visible.
Fine. Okay. This is visible to you. Oh, sorry. These small icons and all, in which you people can
Yeah, they're visible.
they are visible, right? Fine. Fine. So this thing is nothing but your image, which will be shown here. If you people use Snapchat, you people can also see that thing. Can I like wheel here? There is a sample effect. Okay. I'll replace it and I'll okay. It's just the thing which will be shown here, right? These are the platforms in which your effect will be available. Fine. If you want that your effect should be visible just on Instagram, say you don't use Facebook and you don't want it to be visible on Facebook, so you can just remove it from here and it will be just visible on Instagram. Fine. Okay, I need help. I really need help. 𝒣𝒑, do you have any effect on your PC?
I don't think so. I don't have it right now. Let's ask the audience for this.
Because even the translate option is not visible. I don't know why it is happening.
Okay, Sarthak, you can share the screen.
If you're having the effect in your PC. Yeah, fine. Yeah, I'll explain it. I just want somebody to show the screen. Because maybe I'm reading the wrong thing in Gujarati and I really don't know the language either. So, yeah. Yeah. I hope a screen is visible to you. Fine. Okay, fine. Satak, move upwards. Fine. So it was written file. I'm really sorry for this thing. File is nothing but your the thing you're using, your effect file. That is your file. Scroll down. These are the platforms you can choose if you want specific platforms. Upar, 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 upar. Yeah, the platforms one. Okay. Here you can choose the specific platforms you want. Say I want it to be on Instagram itself only and not on Facebook. So I'll use it. Fine. Scroll down. Video calling. Okay, एक बार ऊपर करना. So sharing and video calling is sharing में the effect is there. Video calling में जब आप if you've seen on these platforms, when you are video calling using these platforms, you people get the effect options like to use effects and all. So the effects which say which give permission to use on these platforms while sharing video on video calling, so you people can see the effects. I'm not used in Instagram, but I've used in Snapchat. Okay, while video calling, you can see many effects. but not all effects are present there. So that is just because of this permission. Fine, scroll down. The owner name is the name of the person who is making this effect, and he is having one ID over here linked to his account. I have 4 accounts linked to my Sparky R hub, so I can name it to anybody else also, right? Fine. Move to the categories. Categories are nothing but broader versions. I am trying to log in into Sparky R, but yeah, but it's loading since starting of the workshop. We're trying to log in. Can we take doubts at the end, if possible? Okay. Categories are nothing but say if I created an effect which is related to say Mortal Kombat or uh, any good name you can say of a game. So I'll choose games, okay? And if I'll say World of AR also, immersive, right? I'll just categorize my effect into something so that my I have a good reach with this thing. Fine, scroll down. Keywords is for yeah, keywords is nothing but say when I want some effect, like I want to enhance the photo when I'm clicking something, say I'm clicking a picture of my food and I want to enhance it. So I can name give keywords like food, um, say okay, no, you're relating very wrong, food and Spider-Man. Fine. Okay, so these are the keywords like which people can relate with, which people generally search for, right? Next is demo video. First is you can capture the video from your camera, okay? But when you for this thing, what you have to do is you have to use the test link on your mobile phone because in laptop still the feature is not available. So you have to use this in your mobile phone and say capture the video and share it over here, or you can upload just the file of the video of the your effect. Okay, icon is the one which is shown over here. Sarthak, can you move to this part? Can I draw on the screen? Is there any option of drawing on screen like people are doing? Guess no. Okay, now how you are drawing? Click on view options. Yes. Yeah, that is not available on my screen. Fine. Okay, fine. A big yes. Nice. Okay, if you people can see that image in his mobile phone, is it visible? Yes, right? So that is your icon, like while searching, the one I showed you people on this thing. Um, on this mobile phone from my camera, right? So that is what your icon means. Okay. Next is if you have made this effect with the help of somebody, you can add their Facebook name and all, right? Okay, just give me a minute. I'm audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Okay, yeah. So the publication date is if you want to publish this effect on certain date and time, like I made effect, and now I want to publish it, say on Holi, right? I made an effect of it, so I can set the date and time, so that effect will be available from that time onwards, right? And then I'll click this by taking this option, by continuing, I agree, blah blah blah, and submit. Fine. Then after I submit the effect, I will be directed to their home screen, where it will be shown to me that your effect will be reviewed and published soon, right? And so mostly 90% of the effects get published. Some gets rejected. The reason of that is they are copyrighted, or like I saw some video on YouTube and I just copied and pasted as resources and I made the same effect. So that is not, those effects don't get published. Next is if your effect is really bad, like it's looking really bad and it needs some upgradations, so it will be rejected, fine, by the Facebook team. So this was pretty much about Spark R and how you upload your effects. If you people have any doubts, you can ask me related to this. Also, my screen is visible.
Yes, it's visible.
So for AR trends, you people can check this website. Okay. Next thing I wanted to share was career is available as an AR creator, right? So Facebook is looking out for many Spark R creators, right? And they are paying them quite a good amount also, because Facebook wants to be or to build a platform where it is a giant which is having most effects under him, right? So you can work as a Spark R creator, a software designer, a 3D artist, a design architect, system validation engineer. Okay, but the major thing which is in demand these days is Spark R creator, right? Yeah.
So now I guess we can have the questions that you were asking. So any questions you can post in the chat box right now.
I guess most of the people are asking where can they get the recording. So I guess they'll be uploading it on YouTube and there you can get it. What can I ask? The app didn't open from start time. What is the issue you're facing? If you can share your screen and let me know. This 21 BCA 7892, the minimum software requirements is minimum of 4 GB RAM, because it is a software like Photoshop which eats up your RAM. So I guess that will be the best thing if you have a 4 GB RAM. Login issue, I don't think. I don't know if you can share your screen. I'm like it can help me get better understanding. Sarthak, can you give him permission? Okay, it's working now. Fine, cool.
Okay, so I think now we all enjoyed this session and we got to learn something really interesting. So what we can do is tomorrow meet again for another workshop, another day of workshop, where we'll be getting to know about some of the applications, some of other applications for AR. So, but there's a little change in the timings. Tomorrow we'll have it from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. I'll just put the link of the of our social handles for zStudent-CU, where you can get the recordings as well as our the updates for our other events. Thank you so much, everyone.